Hey guys, it's Miller. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this dotted eyeliner. It's simple, easy to do, and a little bit messy. Hope you guys enjoy. First I'm going to be taking this eyeliner brush and this pretty vulgar eyeliner. It's in a cute little pot. And this little brush allows you to draw smaller lines, I think, and it's easier than using an angled brush sometimes. I bring it pretty far to the inner corner. Kind of draw a little cat eye there. And now I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Alright, now we draw the wing. Most of the time I just clean this up with eyeliner. Clean it up with eyeliner. I clean it up with concealer. Because it gets messy. Yes, I clean up my eyeliner with eyeliner. That makes sense. It's not wanting to focus. Okay. I just go straight out. And draw the bottom. Okay, so then I get that, and then I'm going to clean it up with concealer. Let me do the other eye first. When is your eyeliner like equal on both sides? Like, honestly. Okay. Now I just go right under the wing. Drag it out, and I usually do it on both sides just so that one like isn't brighter than the other, like underneath it. Pat it in with my finger. So this one is a little further out and this one is not, so I'm going to drag that one out a bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is take this flat brush. See, it's kind of like straight there. And I'm going to take this NYX eye pencil, which is really old. It's just a white eye pencil. And I'm going to take that and basically just get the eye pencil on the brush and put it directly under the wing. And I'm going to do that same thing to the other side. Use my Jaclyn Hill palette and get the first two shades, which are kind of like a shimmery white champagne, and put it on top of the white pencil. You trace some of the eyeliner. There you go. And just add white to clean that up. So it's kind of like add eyeliner, add white to the bottom, add eyeliner, add white to the bottom. that go get into how I want it to look. I'm going to take one of these brushes. I'm going to be using another shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It is the third shade on the top, a soft brown. And just put it below my eye, focusing on the outer corner, but blending it all the way. Alright, then I'm going to take those first two shades that I used for my white and put them in my inner corner. Add a little shimmer. And now I'm going to be taking one of my black eye pencils. This one is vintage by Jessica someone. I'm not going to try to read that. I cannot pronounce names at all. And put that into my waterline. Some people are scared to do this. I don't know why. It doesn't hurt or anything. I'm going to be taking some of the roller lash and putting on bottom mascara. Now, I'm going to take that same little liner brush that I used for my eyeliner and take that same black eyeliner. Put a little dot. Right after the wing. And now I'm going to take that same brush that I used before, take the shimmery pink color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, put it under my eye, and now I'm going to be taking a clean brush and blending out the bottom. And then I'm going to use that same brush and get a matte black shade and put that into my waterline, and that is the finished look. And on top of this, I'd usually add fake lashes, but I'm not going to today. But yeah, just simple. Kind of messy, but that's how I like it. And that's gonna be all. Have a good day. Bye.